Alright, let's cut to the chase. The Canadian economy is shifting, the cost of living keeps climbing, and waiting for a single paycheck to solve your problems just isn't a winning strategy anymore. If you're in Canada and serious about boosting your income in 2025, you don't have time to waste on theories. You need proven methods that work right now. I'm about to break down the 7 best side hustles that are generating real income for Canadians today, and how you can get started immediately. First up, the digital gold rush, online freelancing. The global shift to remote work has supercharged platforms like Upwork and Fiverr, and Canadian freelancers are in a prime position. Businesses worldwide are desperate for skilled individuals. If you can write compelling copy, design eye-catching graphics, edit videos, manage social media accounts, or even provide virtual assistant services, there's a client out there looking for you. The key is to create a killer profile. Showcase your best work, be specific about the value you provide, and price yourself competitively to land those crucial first reviews. Once you have momentum, you can scale this into a 6-figure enterprise, all from your laptop. Next, let's talk about hitting the road with delivery gigs. Yeah, you've heard of it, but don't dismiss it. Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Instacart are still powerhouse earners, especially if you're strategic. This isn't just about driving around, it's about maximizing your time. Learn the peak hours in your city, lunch rushes, dinner time, and late-night weekends. Consider multi-apping, running 2 delivery apps simultaneously to minimize downtime and cherry-pick the best orders. With flexible hours and instant payouts, you can literally earn cash tonight. Plus, a little bit of good customer service, a quick text, a friendly smile can seriously boost your tips. It's the fastest way to turn your free time into a tangible income stream. Hustle number 3 is for the animal lovers, pet services. Canadians adore their pets, and they're willing to pay top dollar for reliable, loving care. This market is booming. Apps like Rover and Pawshake make it incredibly easy to connect with pet owners in your neighborhood. You can offer dog walking, pet sitting in your own home, or drop-in visits for people on vacation. The startup cost is virtually zero, and the work is rewarding. Your reputation is everything here, so focus on being dependable, communicating well with owners, and of course giving the pets a great experience. A few positive reviews can quickly lead to a full schedule of furry clients. Coming in at number 4, becoming a local hero with task-based gigs. We all have those annoying tasks we put off. Well, you can get paid to do them for others. Platforms like TaskRabbit connect you with people who need help with anything from furniture assembly and TV mounting to packing for a move or doing yard work. If you're handy and don't mind a bit of physical work, this is a goldmine. You set your own rates based on the complexity of the task and your skill level, and you choose the jobs that fit your schedule. It's the ultimate in flexibility. You're not just earning money, you're solving real problems for people in your community, which can be incredibly satisfying. Now for a cutting-edge opportunity, AI consulting for small businesses. Businesses everywhere know they need to use AI, but most owners are completely overwhelmed and have no idea where to start. This is where you come in. You don't need to be a coding genius. Spend a few weekends learning user-friendly tools like ChatGPT for content creation, Midjourney for image generation, or Zapier for automating workflows. Then, you can charge local companies a premium to help them implement these tools to automate emails, schedule social media, or improve their customer service. You become their AI translator, saving them countless hours and making their business more efficient. The demand is exploding and the income potential is massive. Hustle number 6 is for the creators, selling digital products. This is the dream of passive income. You create a product once, and it can sell over and over again while you sleep. Canadians are making serious cash selling ebooks, online courses, digital art, printable planners, and social media templates on platforms like Etsy and Gumroad. Think about a skill or knowledge you have. Can you teach it in a short course? Can you design a useful spreadsheet or a beautiful wedding invitation template? The initial creation takes work, but once it's listed, every sale is almost pure profit. It's a powerful way to decouple your time from your income. Last but not least, hustle number 7, renting out what you already own. Your idle assets are hidden income streams. That car sitting in your driveway, rent it out safely on Turo when you're not using it. That spare room collecting dust, list it on Airbnb for travelers. But it goes deeper. You can rent out camera gear, power tools, bicycles, even your parking spot through specialized local rental apps. These platforms handle the booking, payment, and often provide insurance, minimizing your risk. It's the smartest way to make your possessions pay for themselves and generate income with minimal active effort. So there you have it. 7 powerful, proven side hustles for 2025. Here's the bottom line. Analysis paralysis is the enemy. The best side hustle is the one you actually start. Don't try to do all of them. Pick one that genuinely excites you or fits your current skills and lifestyle. Commit to taking the first small, concrete step today. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. That's how you build momentum. Take action, stay consistent, and watch your income, your confidence, and your financial freedom grow. Don't just wait for the future you want, start building it right now. So there you have it, 7 incredible side hustles ready for you to conquer in Canada in 2025. The opportunity is right there for the taking. Which one are you going to start first? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this guide helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more ways to level up your money game. We're dedicated to bringing you the best AI-driven insights to secure your financial future. This is Neuro Profit AI. See you in the next one.